Howdy all, quick directions for you. It's going to be quick because today's assignment is a long one, but it's pretty fun. Again, working with order of operations. And our focus, I will evaluate numeric expressions. Using the order of operations, eventually we're going to move into some pretty tough stuff, multi-step equations with different representations, fractions, decimals, percents, you name it. I want to show you the answers here. There were scrambled answers I gave you on the last video. Go ahead and pause, take a look at your answers, come on back when you're ready. A reminder, I believe we crossed off the top 6 problems, and I think I said the back was not needed. Hey, go ahead and get out a new piece of paper, whatever date this is. Name, date, period. This means worksheet for chapter 3, lesson 1, and it's the B worksheet. Go ahead. Assignment number 19, use order of operations to solve numeric expressions. Pause the video, title your paper, come on back when you're ready. So for today, we're doing a little mini mystery. So I did a couple examples for you following the order of operations. You'll see one in red, one in green, one in blue. So let's read those directions together. Solve each problem, not really the best word. It's really not the word solve. It's more like evaluate. Evaluate each problem below using the correct order of operations. Then use your solutions to eliminate the suspects and solve the mystery. Boy, that almost looks like a run-on sentence too. We got some grammar to fix on that top part. But we have this, somebody passed this along to me. I thought it was a pretty cool thing. You'll notice for number 1, order of operations, do those power first. 6 squared, 36. 36 minus 12, 24. Number 10, inside of the grouping symbols, you still have to use order of operations. Do we do add or the power first? Well, we do 3 squared, which is 9. 5 plus 9 is 14. All right, now we got our grouping symbols done. 154 divided by 14 is 11. And on to the bottom problem. I did number 14 for you, substituting in the numbers and evaluating the expression. 12 plus 6 squared, we've got to take care of that exponent. 6 to the second power is what I should have called that, and that would be 36. Now, before you divide, it's almost as if there should be parentheses so that you simplify either the numerator or denominator in both. In this case, we have to simplify the numerator. 12 plus 36 is 48. And finally, 48 divided by 3 is 16. Okay, so why is this a little murder mystery? Who killed Mr. PEMDAS? Thankfully, because you know Mr. Callan's not a fan of PEMDAS. I had some good suggestions from students about that, by the way. Goal is to eliminate all the possibilities, in which case there will only be 3 left, and those 3 remaining will tell you who did what, where. So if I look at my red answer of 24, I search all the way up and down the list. I find it almost near the bottom, and I cross off balcony. If I look at my green answer of 11, okay, Mr. Jones is innocent. I'll cross off Mr. Jones. And then my blue answer was 16. So poison was not the method of the murder. And so again, do all 20 problems, and you should find 1, 2, 3 of those left over to solve the mystery. Now, because of that, I'm not planning on leaving you with any answers today or next week. Frankly, you should be able to figure that out. I'll be honest, I made a mistake. I had a couple number 16s, and then I went back and I was able to catch that other mistake. So you should be able to do that too. Send me an email. Let me know if you have a message that you need. Message me if you need any help. And enjoy, guys. Do well.